Mass-gaining supplements are very popular with bodybuilders because they offer maximal recovery from intense workouts and help provide enough calories to gain muscle. Mass gainers often contain a mix of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. In this video, Fitness Feast comes up with the Mass Gainers Supplements Guide. How it works, how to take, dosages, ingredients and side effects. Mass gainers also have protein like whey protein powder, but the main difference between the two is that mass gainers have a high percentage of fats and carbohydrates. This helps the user intake the more calories to increase their weight. To gain muscle mass, it's important to take in more calories than you burn. People who are lifting for the first time or have a busy life may find it a challenge to pack in the needed calories. Others may have difficulties because of a small appetite or fast metabolism. When you take standard whey protein, it contains around 100 to 150 calories per serving. On the other hand, one serving of a mass gainer gives 500 to 1,500 calories, which are quite high. The ratio of carbohydrates to protein in mass gainers is usually 3:1 or more, and the majority of the calories obtained from this are from the carbohydrates. Some mass-gaining supplements can also contain additional ingredients such as BCAAs, creatine, and vitamin and minerals. What best mass gainer must have? The best gainers have the right ingredients to improve the right type of fat in your body. Fat helps to grow muscle, keep testosterone levels high, aid in recovery, and keep off body fat. Make sure the gainer has as little saturated fat as possible. Ingredients that improve fat are medium-chain triglycerides, flaxseed oil, and borage oil. The best gainers have proteins that digest at different rates for muscle growth. The right proteins will help to reduce muscle breakdown. The best gainers will provide a variety of carbohydrates with different digestion rates. Their calorie content is usually massive, and here is what mass gainers may contain: protein, carbohydrates, fats, BCAA and other essential amino acids, creatine, many different vitamins, various micronutrients, many non-essential amino acids. Who should take it? Mass gainers work the best for busy people who are always active and can't eat 6 meals a day. People with weak appetites or can't take in the needed calories. People whose weight goes to their butt and are seeking a better alternative. Hard gainers who have difficulty putting on muscle despite working out. Hard gainers typically have fast metabolisms and low natural body fat. Even after reaching the right amount of calories, hard gainers could still have difficulty gaining muscle and reaching their macronutrient goals. How to take it? Taking mass gainers is an easy process. Anyone who has made shakes should know what they're doing. To create the shake, you will have to combine the powder with your choice of liquid. The liquid that you use with the shake depends upon personal preference. Some people use water, while others choose milk for taste and additional calories. To make the shake, spoons won't do a lot of good. Instead, you're going to need a shaker cup or blender. Taking a gainer without working out? While on a mass gainer, you should make sure you're hitting the gym, or it'll result in unwanted fat. Some gainers are formulated for use close to working out, while others are to be taken as meal replacements or additions. Taking a mass gainer without working out may help those with weight management issues. But you should consult your doctor beforehand. Some people take gainers on their rest days to meet their caloric target for that day. Side effects of a mass gainer supplement? As with every dietary supplement on the market, there are a couple of potential mass gainer side effects that you need to be aware of. The most noticeable one is that these types of supplements contain a lot of carbs, which means that they can spike your blood sugar levels. Another infrequent side effect is an upset stomach, bloating and similar digestion problems. Also, don't forget about allergies and side effects inherent with each separate ingredient that can be added to a weight gainer.